I did my graduation in electronics and communication engineering, and I am currently working as system admin in Tech Mahindra. And parallel to this, I am also taking coaching for Microsoft Azure and don't have any idea about how I can join as a fresher. I have seen many posts from different organizations about Azure admin, but all of them need an experienced candidate. Could you tell me how I can explore my career in Microsoft Azure as admin?
It's a very, very valid question because the problem of acquiring experience when you are a fresher is common to any job role. You're at least lucky you have a job where you're doing something right now, and in the admin department or a networking role. So now you're talking about moving from one skill set in the same job role from one skill set to Azure. So normally what people do when you want to migrate from one particular skill set to another, the first strategy is to apply within the organization, right? Whenever you apply within the organization, they don't put all these conditions that they put from outside, that you need to have experience. So first is to figure out from within the HR department or your tech team. They also may be having an Azure. Your Mahindra Tech also will have Azure practice. How do I get into that job role is what I will be thinking. I'm not going to think from outside. Because one, you have contacts there, you can find out who the people are, and the HR is also very friendly because they want to encourage people to move up the ladder. So first acquire a high quality certification. That's number one. After acquiring the high quality certification, the second step is how do I go and get the HR people or important people in Mahindra Tech to tell them that I am very keen to join Azure. Demonstrate your keenness by doing some research, publishing something on Azure, doing some projects on Azure on a free basis. So it first is try and sell yourself within the company. That's what I will do. The second problem is that yes, company not willing to give you. What do I do? Yes, good question. In that case, I would never make the mistake of applying for Azure in a very large company, because large companies have a choice of candidates. If, for example, Mahindra want to apply for Azure and they want to have enough people from outside, they will get enough people with experience. So why would they take you? So the best way to build a career and new skill set is to go to the smallest company in that category, because they don't have much of choices. The experienced people may not come there. So I would like to demonstrate that I've done a lot of thinking on Azure. I know a little bit about it. I've done some projects, and I try and get my entry into that skill set in a much smaller company, and then work for 2-3 years, learn it, and then move up. So that's the strategy. Instead of going directly from one large company to another large company to small company in the same skill set, whatever where you want to go, and then move up. This is what I would do.